The roadside sign welcomes us to Moss Landing, a small Monterey Bay community with an unusually memorable skyline. On the right, the twin stacks of the Moss Landing power plant rise above Highway 1 and form the town's most recognizable landmark. The industrial buildings soon give way to tall coastal trees, showing how quickly the scenery changes in this compact community. Ahead, the road opens beside broad water channels and low wet ground connected with the Elkhorn Slough landscape. Elkhorn Slough is one of California's important coastal wetland systems, lying just inland from Monterey Bay. Water, grassland and cultivated fields meet along the highway, creating a landscape shaped by both nature and agriculture. The route bends gently past roadside fields, with coastal clouds stretching in a long band above northern Monterey County. Windswept cypress and eucalyptus trees frame the road, reflecting the cool and often breezy climate near Monterey Bay. Another stretch of wet ground appears beside the highway before the road climbs toward drier rolling farmland. This short drive shows why Moss Landing is distinctive. Industry, wetlands, and working farms all occupy the same coastal corridor. The low hills ahead are covered with open fields, while scattered trees mark property lines and sheltered farm sites. Local businesses and side roads briefly appear, then Highway 1 returns to a quieter stretch bordered by fields and trees. Leaving Moss Landing behind, we continue north through the working landscape of California's Central Coast. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road. Goodbye.